Wagwan Gorda people. I am preparing a seafood mix using conch and meat from the lobster's head, which I obtained by paying two boys on the seaside to remove the meat from the lobster's head. So tenderizing the conch meat is of utmost importance as it has a tough texture that can take a long time to cook. So after tenderizing the conch, I then cut it into my preferred sizes and then wash it with tap water. There's no need to use vinegar or lime juice because the conch already scald. So after washing it, I season it with a variety of spices, including Indian curry, and then I added a herb blend of garlic, ginger, onion, scallion, thyme, and add pepper. I season the lobster's meat separately. After marinating the conch and the lobster's meat, it is time to cook them. I started by cooking the conch first. It takes a longer time to cook. So I added the conch into oil that is curry burnt, meaning I burnt curry into the oil. That is a must because if I do not burn the curry, it will affect my tummy. So after partially cooking the conch, I added the lobster's meat and simmer down until it reaches the desired consistency that I like.